This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Glenda Smith. Great opportunity to own this well-maintained family home, in a highly desirable East Boca, quiet neighborhood, located in a top-rated school district. A split floor plan, tiled throughout with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a separate laundry room. The updated kitchen, which has stainless steel appliances, refrigerator 2025, and granite countertops, is open to the spacious living and dining room area. A new metal roof installed in 2022, a huge plus. Impact windows and doors throughout. A large screened patio overlooks a manicured fenced backyard with room for a pool and complete with a Thai mango tree and abundant producing pineapple plants. Just 3 miles to the beach and 2 miles to Sugar Sand Park. Easy access to the I-95 and minutes from great shopping, dining and entertainment. For more information, review the details below or contact Glenda Smith at 561-981-9400.